So there's no special foundation needed. The only thing that has to be anchored to the floor, to the foundation, is going to be these brackets. So there's 6 each, and then you'll use drill holes and put expansion bolts, and that'll prevent it from sliding front to back and side to side. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, I'm okay. Yeah. Okay, first push in the power button. The controller will turn on. Takes a few seconds. Okay, and then we want to go to start. Okay, and then we go to next. Okay, and then here we have the indicator lights, power, run, fault, e-stop, and then, oh, system ready. So if I hit the e-stop, you'll see I got a fault and I got an e-stop. It's off. And so basically we have the set frequency. That's the only thing we could set is this field. And then we can set the time. You need to set sub time in either hours, minutes, or seconds for it to run. It doesn't run indefinitely. The maximum is 7 hours. So then we have, you set the frequency anywhere from, let's say 0.1 to 5 hertz. And then once it's running, it'll show you what the actual frequency is. And it has a current output, but that's just an indicator light. That's just giving you information. You really can't set the current. Okay, so if we hit the, and here let's set it to 0.5 hertz. Hit the enter button. Okay, and the first thing we have to do is get the system ready, and then we'll hit F1. And it will, once the green light for system ready turns on, then we'll hit F3. Okay, so we're just gonna wait. Oh, actually I gotta set some time too. I didn't set time, so let's do. This is gonna be, I'm in the middle field, so that will be minutes. Let's do 10 minutes, enter. Okay, so that's the set time and this is the run time. So when it's actually running, it'll be counting. And then you have F1, which puts the system to ready. And then F3 will start the test. And then F4 is a timer reset. So once we have our package on the table, and we'll come back, we're system ready, we can hit F3.
Pressure time reset.
Yeah, F4, yeah. So once it's finished, you can reset it and then it'll do it again.
You can try.
So now I hit. So now you can see that we're actually running. And then it's going to count to 10. And then I think once it counts to 10, or whatever your setting is, and it's finished, I think in order to do the test again, you have to hit the timer reset, right? Yeah, okay. Okay, so once we're running the test, so right now we're running at a 0.5 hertz. And if we want to change it, we can go up in here, change it to 2 hertz. Okay, and if we want to stop the test, then we would hit F3 again. Okay, so now you see that we ran about a minute, so if I hit timer reset, and now it will start over. Otherwise, if it had some time elapsed and you hit start, it will just continue from that point on.
200的，这个是控制检测，这是刚才那边过来的两个。OK， 好。它高电压默认是300，我看已经是300了，就可以。看那边放好了。归档
Arm out. Okay.
觉得300后往上升。往起来一点，往你那边拉一点。
So once you get all the cables connected, there's 220 that goes to the wall switch. Once you have power there, hit the power button. The control is to put it into 0. Keep away from the equipment, okay. Okay, so the first thing you do is hit the drop height to set the distance. Now you don't have to, this is the easy way or automated way of doing it, but if you wanted to do it manually, we'll show you how to do that in a second. So the minimum is, how much is the minimum here?
3.
Oh, right there. Okay, minimum 3, okay, great. It just shows you 300, and then the max is 1830, and this is in millimeters. Okay, so let's say we want to go to 400. Hit enter. Is it right? Or you have to do that way. Okay. So you have to slide it. Okay, once you slide it and it enters, okay, so now we have this, yeah, okay, well, we have the set height at 400, but the actual height is at 300. So at this point you would hit the up button, and then it'll go up automatically to 400. So if I were to stop it, you can see it's not quite at 400. So this is a manual way of just, you can turn it up or down and inch up or inch down as you want. But if you hit it, it'll automatically then adjust until it hits 400. And then there's a light. The yellow light on the drop arm will then light up. And so the green is you've got power, everything's okay. The yellow is for you're at the correct position or the automated position that you set. And then red is a if you have an emergency. So if I hit the E-stop, you'll see that the red light is on. Okay, so at this point we can go ahead and do it. And then so all we want to do is hit the release. Okay, you can see that it fell. Okay, so we moved the package, and now you see the arm back. So we would hit arm out. And then you can see that it resets itself.